वेलकम टू ऑल। आप देख रहे हैं जियोग्राफी नंदन और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मेथोडोलॉजी इन रिसर्च पेपर या जर्नल या प्रपोजल बनाने जा रहे हैं। क्या मेथोडोलॉजी का इम्पोर्टेंस है? चलिए आज इस वीडियो में हम देखते हैं कि क्या रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी का जो इम्पोर्टेंस है वो हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम सबको स्वागत करते हैं और आप देख रहे हैं जियोग्राफी नंदन। और इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी इन रिसर्च पेपर या जर्नल पेपर या रिसर्च प्रपोजल की अगर बात करें तो देर आर द लॉट ऑफ importance. Basically research methodology is a critical component of research and paper. It is the outline the research approach and techniques used to gather and analyze the data. So research methodology, without research methodology में आपको PhD नहीं होना है ना, रिसर्च प्रपोजल अच्छे से बनेगा। तो ये वेल डिजाइन मेथोडोलॉजी इंश्योर दैट द स्टडी वैलिडिटी and reliability, and also there are the reproducibility and ultimately strengthening equality and important their impact of research. So it is very important and the research methodology. And another, I explain there what is the research methodology. What is the research? Basically research methodology refer to systematic and theoretical analysis of the methods applied within a field study, and also there are the encompasses the principle, procedure, and strategy use of the gather analyze the data in the research project. And methodology is the fundamental, is the foundation that underpin their the valid the review to the collection of information, or the collection of data, processing, sampling, and research question. If you are new, must will subscribe my channel and press bell button for the coursework of research and also PhD. And if you are NET, if we are going to NET exam, must will subscribe my channel. There are the research aptitude classes. All classes are available here. Next, also there are the purpose of research methodology and the research, and their primary purpose of methodology in the research is to ensure the validity, reliability, and the reproducibility जो है of the study. एक well designed methodology. Basically हम अच्छा डिजाइन जो है जिसमें outline the specific techniques, demonstrate and also institute the research and replace their study validity findings, choosing the research approach, and used to collect analysis the data तो हम collect करते हैं and then analysis how you can analyze the data, how you can analyze the whole overall data. That is finding the outline the specific techniques and procedure and use of collect analyze, अर्थात collect analyze the data and demonstrate the rationale behind the choosing the research approach. So also estimate a robust their methodology is crucial for drawing accurate their conclusion and contribute to the meaningful insight to the field of study. So research methodology is which purpose is basically there are the appropriate research methodology. What is the appropriate research methodology? They are evaluating research goal, assessing research context. There is the matching research methodology of the data, ensuring the validity and reliability. So different there are the aspect and the research methodology, the importance of the research methodology, and the field step the selecting the right methodologies to clear define the research objectives and queries question. This it will be help to determine the most suitable approach to effectively address the problem. So ensure that assessing the research context, thus consider the following field of the study, available the researchers and the target audience, and also this the target topic, and this factor will inform the choose of methodology, ensure the research aligned with the disciplinary norms and the practical consensus. So it is important the matching methodology of the data. Data is definitely you can the nature of the data and whether quantitative and qualitative will the guide the selection of approach research methodology such as the experimental observation, and also there are the survey based approach, and also ensuring the validity, and also the choosing the methodology how both the valid accurately the measure what is intent the measure and enable constantly reproducible in the crucial for drawing post-conclusion. So there are the research methodology is important, and for your thesis, for your research proposal, another there are the you can analyze the qualitative and quantitative methods. There are the qualitative and quantitative methods. Basically, qualitative research focus on understanding concept. जो आप समझ रहे हैं, understanding concept and opinion experiments. So there are observation and interview. It provide in depth conceptual insight, but may lack statistical generalization. So it is very important. And also the quantitative research relies on numerical data. Numerical data means the statistical analysis to test and also the hypothesis and establish the relationship. Yield more objective generalization of the finding, but can lack of nonsense of the quantitative approach. So qualitative and quantitative methods is very important for your research. And there the qualitative basically choosing the understanding concept. What is the understand? What is your opinion? Understand experiments and through the observation and interview. So definitely it is learned, and I explain here. Also I explain there are the experimental research methodology. What is the basically experimental? Hypothesis formation there clearly define the research question and formulate the testable hypothesis based on existing theories and observation and data collection, and systematically gather quantitative data through observation, measurement, and the control experiments, and another there are the protocols. So experimental design carefully plan their study design, including variable controls and also procedure to ensure initial validity and minimize bias. So experimental research is overall their hypothesis formation, also their data collection and experimental design. So definitely you learn it, and there are how properly their research methodology is important. And there are the very interesting and observation research methodology. Observational research methodology based off the naturalistic observation and structured observation, and there is the participant observation and ethnographic observation. So different different parts of the observational research methodology. Observational research methodology is the researcher observe and subject in their natural environments together, and the unrest in the real world data without the invention. So it is important that the researcher use predefined coding their scheme and protocol to systematically records behavior and the phenomena of interest. So definitely it is very important there the participant observation and events themselves in the study context, and also the taking the roles and the community to gain deeper insight. And ethnographic जो observation है, इसमें researcher conduct in depth and long term and the observation to understand the culture, social and the behavioral pattern of a group. So research methodology, naturalistic observation, structured observation and their participant observation is very important for your proposal, for your research, for your methodology. And if you are going to say entrance exam, must will practice it there the observational research methodology. What is the observational research methodology? Another, there are the survey research methodology defined the survey clearly. There are the research objectives and information and sampling design, also questionnaire development, also data collection and data analysis. There are 5 parameter is very important. There are the research methodology in the survey basically survey research methodology. Without the design sampling, without the questionnaire development, without the data collection, they are not complete. There are the survey research methodology and data analysis. So analyzes the survey data using the statistical method and to uncover the pattern and also trained. So definitely the data collection, administrative survey through the various mode, primary, secondary, tertiary, and ensure there are huge data you can gathering. And also questionnaire development, another I also provide there another video. And question the effective capture requirement. There are the information from the participant. So when you start the social science research, is very important the questionnaire development and sampling design also. And another their case study research methodology is very important. The case study research is then the depth exploration of the single entity on the small number of entities, and aiming there provide rich and contextual understanding the real world phenomena. And the researcher remains themselves with study subject, gathering extensive and qualitative and quantitative data through the interview, observation, document analysis, and other methods. So it is very important. And the case study approach allow the researcher to uncover their complexity, unique characteristics of the particular situation, the problem, by examining the study holistic within the natural environment, and case study yield the detailed the insight that inform theory development and guide practical the decision making. So case study research is very important today. If you are a geography student, if you are sociology student and social science research, that definitely must do the case study research, and for your helping their tools also. And researcher remains themselves in the study subject and gathering extensive their quantitative and qualitative research through interview, through observation, through document, analyze their method. So it is very important. And another point I explained their importance of methodology in the data collection. So data collection, systematic data, they are gathering and they are minimized, and also there are the element with research goal and replicability. So definitely there is the systematic data gathering. Gathering means there a robust methodology ensured that collect in the structure and also constant their manner, providing the reliability of the validity, and also they are carefully design the data collection and protocol help the mitigate research and the external influence, and so leading to more objective findings. आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो किस तरह ऑब्जेक्टिव में हमने लिया, तो डेटा कलेक्शन आपको किस तरह होना चाहिए, दैट इज द फोकस ऑन योर ऑब्जेक्ट of your hypothesis. So elegant also research goal, what is the methodology aligning the data collection with the study objective. आपका जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है उससे रिलेटेड हमें किस तरह डेटा कलेक्शन करना चाहिए, दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट, द डायरेक्टली रिलेवेंट and detail the documentation of the data collection. The methodology enable an other researcher to replicate the study and very result. So when you they write now the methodology in the data collection, basically systematic, and there are the minimize not only more questionnaire. आप मान लो ऑब्जेक्टिव आपका जैसा है उसी हिसाब से आपको क्वेश्चनर और उसके डेटा कलेक्शन उसी हिसाब से होना चाहिए, ये चीज को ध्यान में आपको रखना होगा. एंड दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द मेथोडोलॉजी इन द डेटा एनालाइज is the methodology used in data analysis is the crucial in the ensuring basically usability of the research findings. जो मैंने बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, जो रिसर्च फाइंडिंग्स है आपके, जो रिसर्च फाइंडिंग्स की इंपॉर्टेंट क्या होगी, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी होना चाहिए, अनलिंक नहीं होना चाहिए, रिसर्चर ड्रॉ द मीनिंगफुल रेप्लिकेबल कंक्लूजन. तो ये बेसिकली रिसर्च का एक क्या बोलेंगे, मानव शरीर का जैसे हड्डी है वैसे रिसर्च थीसिस का एक हड्डी के रूप में काम करता है आपके रिसर्च की मेथोडोलॉजी. सो स्ट्रक्चर जो जनरेट होगी वो रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी से ही होगी. और ये जो मैंने 4 पॉइंट आपको बताने चाह रहा हूँ, देयर एंश्योरिंग वैलिडिटी एंड रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ द मेथोडोलॉजी, दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर वे 1 2 3 4 दे आर द डिफाइंड क्लियर ऑब्जेक्टिव and standardized procedure and employ the triangulation and assess the potential base. So it is the smooth research. When you will start the research, so definitely must you try to smooth research. And the clearly article there to go to the research question and hypothesis of ensure that methodology align with the intended goal. Actually methodology आपका गोल होना चाहिए. And standardize the procedure. क्या आप standardize procedure कर रहा है, the develop and constantly follow and detail the protocol for the data collection, measurement, analyze the minimize validity. It is very important. There are the triangulation. What is the triangulation? Use the multiple methods. They are data, source, and researcher to cross validity, validate the finding and enhance the overall credibility of the study. And also assess the potential base and identify the address potential source of the such as the researcher influence or participant relatively to the ensure objectivity. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें ऑब्जेक्टिव को सही फाइंडिंग्स करना बहुत जरूरी है गाइस. अगर आपने ऑब्जेक्टिव को पूरा गलत रखा, पूरे रिसर्च फ्रेमवर्क आपका गलत हो जाएगा, रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी आपका गलत हो जाएगा, टाइटल के साथ रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव का बहुत बड़ा एक संबंध है और उस ऑब्जेक्टिव से मेथोडोलॉजी का बहुत बड़ा एक संबंध है। तो इसको बनाए रखना होगा और अच्छा से रिसर्च करना होगा, तब जाके आप अच्छा रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैंने बात करूंगा यहाँ पे एथिकल कंसिडरेशन रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी में, जिसमें इन्फॉर्म्ड कंस्टेंट हो, मिनिमाइजिंग हो, या जो हार्म मतलब जो वर्ड है वो कम हो, और इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी जो है आपका डिजाइन थिंकिंग एक अच्छा डेवलप हो, प्रॉपरली एट्रीब्यूट्स द सोर्स एंड आइडिया जो है प्रॉपर वे में आप गैदर करें, ना किसी दूसरे का आइडिया को लेके आपने इनपुट करें। ये चीज को आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा। देयर प्रॉपरली एट्रीब्यूट सोर्स आइडिया, कंट्रीब्यूशन टू अवॉइड द प्लेगरिज्म एंड रिस्पेक्ट टू द इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स। आप आईपीआर को रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए, आपने थिंकिंग को डिजाइन कीजिए, दूसरे का थिंकिंग का डिजाइन नहीं करना है, समझ रहा है। पार्टिसिपेंट देयर प्राइवेसी एंड प्रोटेक्ट द कॉन्फिडेंशियल एंड द रिसर्च डेटा एंड सिक्योर द स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड द स्टोरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, लिमिटिंग एक्सेस द सेंसिटिव डिटेल्स। आप एक अच्छा से स्टोर कीजिए नॉलेज, मतलब आपका रिसर्च के हर एक पहलू को अच्छा से अरेंज करना है, अच्छा से प्रेजेंटेशन देना है। इसके लिए सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप रिसर्च के जो ऑब्जेक्टिव को एक फाइन कीजिए एंड ट्यूनिंग ऐसा कीजिए कि वो सही मेथोडोलॉजी को फोकस करे एंड मिनिमाइज देयर आर द केयरफुली असेस द मिटिगेट एनी पोटेंशियल रिस्क। एनी अपने नेगेटिव वर्ड आपको नहीं लिखना है ना बोलना है, एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव हो एंड इन्फॉर्म देयर आर द इंश्योर्ड स्टडी पार्टिसिपेंट फुल्ली अंडरस्टैंड द रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव। आप पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव को समझ गए होंगे, आप पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव को समझ के लिखेंगे जो आपके टाइटल फॉलो करता है। ये बहुत बड़ा चीज है कि आपके टाइटल क्या रिसर्च को किस तरह फॉलो करता है, उस हिसाब से हमें आपको जो है वो चलना होगा। देयर द लिमिटेशन एंड चैलेंज ऑफ द रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी के बहुत बड़ा एक चैलेंज है, लिमिटेशन है कि यहाँ पे एस्टैब्लिशिंग द कैजुअलिटी अगर होंगे तो नहीं होगी। यहाँ पे रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी में स्ट्रगल टू conclusively determine cause and effect and relationship, so it is very important. And generalization challenge, basically finding from the narrow and focus the study may have the limited applicability and broader the population context। जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख के रखा हूँ इसलिए ताकि आपको भी नोट्स बनाने ईजी रहे। एंड एथिकल कंसर्न सम रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी सजेस्ट द एक्सपेरिमेंट में raise the ethical issue and around the participant privacy. So resource constraint, basically there are the conducting high quality research can be resources initiative and the requiring significant time, funding and assess the appropriate tools। कई लोग प्रोजेक्ट में अप्लाई करते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं तो रिसर्च सही हिसाब से डेटा अवेलेबिलिटी एंड क्वालिटी बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। में अफेक्ट्स देयर फैकल्टी इन ऑब्टेनिंग द रिलेबिलिटी and representative and comprehensive data. So very interesting, there are the limitation and challenge and also their role of methodology in the research paper। जो अपना रिसर्च पेपर है क्या थॉटफुल मेथोडोलॉजी है, इंश्योर करता है रिसर्च सिस्टमेटिकली। रिसर्च टाइटल जो है थॉटफुल होना बहुत जरूरी है, तो ये चीज आपको दिमाग में रखना है कि हमारा जो टाइटल है क्या थॉटफुल है, रेवेल फाइंडिंग्स है या इसमें कंक्लूजन में हम किस तरह लिख रहे हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं अप्रोप्रिएट मेथोडोलॉजी enable there are the researcher to draw the meaningful well support and conclusion, and methodology ensure use the research paper and also their overall quality impact, ये well designed ये well drawing insight and also there are the prioritizing and also methodological excellence जो है आपको दिखता है। अर्थात मेथोडोलॉजी के एक्सीलेंस तब दिखेगा जब हम अच्छा हमने रिसर्च करेंगे। तो गाइस ये था आज का कि रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी के मूल जो इंपॉर्टेंस है, मेन जो कॉन्सेप्ट की है वो हमें समझना होगा और हमारा रिसर्च प्रपोजल में अप्लाई करना होगा। फिर मिलेंगे कोई अच्छा वीडियो के साथ। जय हिंद, टाटा, बाय बाय।